You don't need a satellite to find someone's location, just need their selfie. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how hackers track your live location using photos, phones, and your own social media posts. If you're into hacking or cybersecurity, you're going to love this one. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal a real tool I built using Python that makes it even easier. Let's start with your phone. Yeah, that device that never leaves your side. Hackers can use a Remote Access Trojan, RAT, to tap into your phone's GPS live feed. One tap on a malicious link, and boom, your location updates in real time. It's like Find My iPhone, but not for you. And if that doesn't work, they use phishing tools like Stormbreaker or Seekers sending fake login pages or free Wi-Fi traps to grab GPS coordinates. Simulate fake interfaces that quietly fetch your location behind the scenes. Now, what if I told you your vacation photo can reveal your home address? Photos carry hidden data called EXIF metadata. It includes your GPS coordinates, device model, timestamp, and more. Tools for EXIF extraction: ExifTool, CLI Beast, Windows, Macintosh, Linux. Jeffrey's image metadata viewer online. Just upload the image and it spills all the secrets. And what if metadata is stripped? We go Sherlock mode, zoom into background, signs, even car license plates. That's Starbucks image search tools, Google Images, Yandex, and a scary good with faces. TinEye, find image history, plus edits. Still think you're safe? Let's talk social media. People love tagging locations. Having brunch an NYC road trip to Vegas, and without realizing it, you're broadcasting your real-time movement to strangers online. How hackers use it: build timelines, track routine habits, verify location alibis. Even background details like that landmark or mall sign can give you away. And here's the scary part: all of this can be done without writing a single line of code. So what happens when you give these tools to someone who can code? I built my own Python hacking tool, customized to extract OSINT data and track locations. Want to see how I made it? Watch this next video. I built my own hacking tool with Python, linked right here on screen. Smash that subscribe button for weekly hacking insights. And remember, hack the data, not the people.